3, 2, 1. Welcome to Christmas edition on Bubble Pop Quiz. Can you beat the Christmas quiz? Think fast. Answer before the bubble pops. Question 1. What color are Santa's clothes? Red, white, and black. Did you get it right? Question 2. What do people put on top of a Christmas tree? The answer is a star. Question 3. What month is Christmas celebrated? The answer is December. That was easy, right? Let's see how you will do in the next one. Question 4. What animal pulls Santa's sleigh? Reindeer. You are correct. Question 5. In Home Alone, what city does Kevin live in? Chicago. Did you get it right? Question 6. Finish the lyric. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle all the way. Did you know the song? Good job! Question 7. Who sings All I Want for Christmas Is You? Mariah Carey. Did you get it right? Question 8. What's the name of the Grinch's dog? The correct answer is Max. Question 9. Where did Christmas trees come from originally? Germany. Did you get it right? Question 10. What snack do kids leave out for Santa? Cookies and milk. Great job! Question 11. What color are Christmas candy canes? The right answer is red and white. Question 12. How many reindeer pull Santa's sleigh? Nine. Did you get it right? How many did you get right? Comment your score below and don't forget to subscribe.